Good morning, everyone. Today we'll see about FMS, that is Flexible Manufacturing System. What is a FMS? The definition of FMS, necessity of FMS, layout of FMS. All these things today we'll see in the class. Okay. First, what is FMS? So, a flexible manufacturing system is a highly automated group technology cell. So, it is a flexible automated system with highly technology. Okay, highly automated and highly technology cell. So, it consists of group of processing workstations incorporated by the automated material handling and storage system and controlling the computer system. So, it controlled by a single computer. So, what is that? FMS is the combination of machine tool, next material handling equipment and computer component and software. So it is combination of machine tools. Next one is material handling equipment, third one is computer components and softwares. Okay, that is FMS. It is highly automated group of technology with all these three things. Okay, FMS can be utilized for machining applications, assembling or equipment components, manufacturing like plastic, injection molding, sheet metals, fabrication, welding, etc. So for all these things we use FMS. Okay, next it has three major subsystems in FMS. What it has? Three major subsystems. That is computer. It has automated material storage. It has next manufacturing control systems. All these three. First one is computer control. How it controls the manufacturing equipment by the computer. Next, automated material storage, transferring and transfer system, transport and transferring system. That is automated material storage. Next, manufacturing controlling system. Next, additional subsystems can be linked by the FMS for unique machining process. Unique means for single line, that is single line, straight line. Okay. Next, definition of FMS. What is the definition of FMS? So, what it tells, a flexible manufacturing system is a group of NC machining and other automated workstations which are interconnection by the material handling system. All the machines and work handling systems are controlled by a computer. So what it is telling, it has a group of NC machine and workstations which are interconnected. These are connected internally. These are connected to each and every one by including this material handling system and machine workstations. So these all are connected to internally connected each and controlled by a single computer. Okay. So this NC machining and other automated workstations like material handling system and all other machines and work handling systems are controlled by a single computer, that is called the FMS. Next we'll see necessity of FMS. Okay, what are the necessities of FMS? So SIM are intended for covering the middle range, that is the medium part variety and medium production volume. So what it is telling, first one's necessity of SIM. Why SIM is necessary? So FMS concept, special manufacturing system, is the least flexible computer integrated manufacturing system. So it is the last flexible manufacturing system integrated. It is designed to produce a very limited number of different parts. So what it does, it designs only limited products in a less time. The annual production lies between 1,500 and 1,50,000. So the productions can be between 1,500 to 1,50,000. Only these pieces can be made, not more than that. So it is very least. That's why it is very least manufacturing system. On the other hand, manufacturing cell is the most flexible manufacturing system. Okay. Next we will see necessity of SIM in this graph diagram. Necessity of SIM graph diagram. What it is telling? So See, this diagram indicates the longitudinal, this one is, so 1,50,000 to 1,500 we have seen. The manufacture is only held between these two only. This is transverse line, y-axis is transfer line, x-axis is what? X-axis is showing part of varieties, that is standard about NC machines. Middle, in between the middle is SIM, that is computer integrated manufacturing system. So what this graph is telling, this NC machine are ideally suited for variation in work parts configuration. So it is mainly used in variation in work parts. Different variation in work parts means different work parts it is done. But production rate are too slow. So production is very less. In terms of manufacturing efficiency and productivity, a gap exists between the high production transverse line. So a gap between efficiency and production, these two, efficiency and productivity, a graph exists. So between these two, what is that? Efficiency and productivity, a graph exists between the high production transverse line and the standard alone NC machine. Okay, so these NC machine alone can give a graph between efficiency and productivity. The solution to the mid-value production problem is the computer integrated manufacturing system. Okay, the solution to the middle volume. So the solution to this mid-volume production problem is to computer integrated manufacturing system. Okay, so what this graph is telling, it is the transverse lines are very efficient when production part is large volume at high output rate. The limitation of this type of production is that the part must be identical. So at very high volume, output rate is also very high. The limitations are there for this. So for producing these parts must be identical. Next, NC machines are identical, suitable for variation in work part components. Next point is efficiency and productivity. These two have a graph exist between the high productivity transverse line and the standard alone NC machines. Okay. Next, what is this types of SIMs? This is types of SIMs. What this diagram is showing, see this here, it is production volume. Next it is saying part variety. Okay, special system, flexible manufacturing system, manufacturing sim. So these three are simultaneous linked with each other. What are they? This sim can be further divided three. What is this three? This can be divided into three. What are the special manufacturing system? Next, flexible manufacturing system. Next, manufacturing cell. So these are three. So it shows, this graph shows that the relation position of FMS concept. So this shows the concept of FMS, that is special manufacturing system in the least flexible computer integrated manufacturing. So this is the least flexible manufacturing system. It is designed to produce a very limited number of different parts. So this machine is designed to produce only limited number of parts. That is, the annual production lies between 1,500 to 1,50,000. So the annual production it can take between 1,500 to 1,50,000 pieces only it can make. Okay. On the other hand, manufacturing cell is the most flexible manufacturing system. So this is manufacturing cell is the most manufacturing system. So understood? This FMS is a special type of integrated manufacturing system. It is designed, this is designed only to produce a very little number of components, that is from 1,500 to 1,50,000 pieces only can manufactured in a annual productions. Okay, for a annual production that much only it can produce. Next, types of SIMs, what are they? So divided into three types: special manufacturing system, manufacturing cell, flexible manufacturing system. So there are three types of SIMs that divided into, first we see special system. Okay, what is this special system? It's telling The special manufacturing system is the least flexible sim designed to produce very limited number of parts at high production rate. The configuration would be similar to that of transverse line. Okay, so what is telling, the it is similar to the transverse line, the number of different parts manufactured in the cell between the, so what it is telling, it is designed to produce a very limited number of different parts. Okay, in special system, what it is telling, only small number of parts can be designed. On other hand, manufacturing cell is the most flexible manufacturing system. The configuration would be similar to the transverse line. Okay, so this is the diagram for special system. This is the machine from where the production these components will move from one component to the other component and do its own work. Each machine will do its own different works. Okay, that is a special system. Next, this one is manufacturing cell. Next one is manufacturing cell. So what it does, manufacturing cell. So this manufacturing cell, this flexible machines consist of several flexible automated machining tools or universal or special type which are flexible, interlinked by the automated in different workpieces, can be machined at the same time. So what it is telling, at the same time different number of components can be prepared. Okay, what is that? This manufacturing cell consists of different types which are flexible, interlinked by the automatic workpieces flow station, so that different workpieces can be machined at the same time. So at the same time, different workpieces with different work can be take place. In that different machining times, in the different machining times at the individual stations are compressed for the central or decentralized workpieces buff storage. Flexible is applied by usage of CNC control. Okay, so it is designed to produce a large variety of part of low production rate. The configuration of this cell consists of several separate without interconnection with the material handling system. So this is not interconnected with each other. Okay, at same, so the process will take many by a single time, like facing, turning, milling. Okay, but a different time period it takes. So this is the diagram of machining cell. So here the different parts, it takes different. Here it was connected to a single line, like a straight line, but here it is connected to different, they are different, not connected to each other. So for doing each time, it take consume, the time may be consumed. Okay, that is the buffer storage. Different workpieces can be machined at the same time. Next, a flexible manufacturing system. What this tells, flexible manufacturing system? What is it telling? This flexible manufacturing cell consists of one or more CNC machining tools. Okay, one or machining tools generally purposed for special designs, effective with automated material handling and tool changes. So it consists of a CNC machining tool, generated purpose, special design with automated material handling and tool changes, are capable for automatically machine with wide range different workpieces. FMS covers a wide middle territory with the mid-volume, mid-variety production ranges. It is designed to produce the medium parts of variety and medium production sim. So FMS consists to be a subsystem. So it means that the number of different parts in the manufacturing, okay, the number of different parts, so different products manufactured in the cell between 40 to 80 are in annual production. For the parts would be between 15 to 100. Okay, converts mid-volume and mid-variety production ranges. So it consists of a middle flexible manufacturing system. This is in middle between the special system and manufacturing. So it control both this special system and this manufacturing system, so that the product can be incorporated between the high range, that is 100 different parts and components can be lie between 40 to 2000 parts per year, so that it can, so it controls like that 40 to 2000 parts can be prepared in a year. In terms of production and numbers of varieties of production, FMS is similar to the SIM, hence FMS is considered to be subset of SIM. Like so we say that it is the subset of SIM. Okay, what is this flexible manufacturing system? This is the diagram of flexible manufacturing system. So in number of products, how, so in 10, how, this is the production, this is the volume. So how much volume it is taking for each product and how much range it is giving. Work cell. Okay, work cell, flexible manufacturing system, focused automated cell. So that is the bar diagram. Okay, next what is there? This is FMS layout. What it is telling, FMS layout, this one, this FMS layout, this one is also FMS layout. So what it is telling, this, what we can understand with this FMS layout. So here what we can say about FMS layout means it is the manufacturing system. So this whole thing is the whole, this layout is the manufacturing system in which there is some amount of flexibility that allows the system. Okay, in this layout some flexibility is there, system is there to reach in close of the changes, so that the closely we can change, like scheduling, machining, loading, next part routing, part grouping, tool management, pallet fixing, allocations, all these can be done in this layout. What all? Scheduling, machining, loading, part routing, part grouping, tool management, all can by the systematic arrangement to react in case of changes. So first point is the machine and handling systems are arranged in a line. So here the machine and handling systems are arranged in a line. Next one is, it is most appropriate for system in which the part progress from one workstation to the next in a well defined sequence. So the next after it is arranged in a machine and handling system are arranged in a line. So these machine and handling system are arranged in a line. Afterwards, the what it do, appropriate for system the part process, that is the part progress from one workstation to the next will define sequence within the next in a well defined sequence. So it moves from one station to other station with a well defined manner. Okay, sequence with no back flow, so it won't move backside. It, okay, after finishing one program it moves front only, so that for other program it can run. Okay, the operation of this type of what is that? The operation of this type of system is very similar to transfer types, like how we have studied about transfer. After finishing at one station, one work, it moves to the second station for another work. After completing there, the second work, it moves to the third station to be run the third work. Okay, like that fourth station, fifth station, all station it moves till it completes the whole work. Okay. Next, work always flow in a unidirectional path. Okay, like that this. So work always move in a unidirectional path. Like this FMS layout is explaining for us. Next, features of FMS. What are the different features of FMS? So there are different features also for FMS. What are those? First one is production equipment. Okay, production equipment, support system, material handling system, computer control system. Okay, these four are the features of FMS. First one is what? production control system. Okay, production equipment, that is. So what it is telling? So FMS uses machine like CNC machining center. The above machining gives the high productivity. Hmm. Next, the above machining give high productivity with high accuracy. That is the production equipment. So production equipment, what it is telling? The automated storage of the material. Okay, the automated storage of the material product equipment. So the product equipment used in FMS depends upon the product manufacturer. Whatever the product manufactured, that depends on the product equipment. Okay, so what it says, the work center where the work is going on, the work center used in the sheet metal FMS include turret. Next, turret, push press, laser machining center, press breakers, sheet stacker systems, loading and unloading devices, storing coverage, etc. So these all are sheet metals in workstations. Okay, FMS for machining consists of number of machining centers, special purpose machining for unique operation. Okay, there are separate machining operation for separate operations. Okay, that is called production equipments. So what are the production equipments? The work center used a sheet metal for punch press, laser machining center, press brackets, sheet stock, streak stacking system, loading and unloading devices, so storing coverage, etc. Okay, all these can be done in production equipment. Next one is supporting system. So what it does here, support system means tool maintaining and repair, special tool for measuring the weights, automatic cleaning of chips works, progress of tool offsets and basic of tool measuring. So these all can be done in support system. So automated machine tool. So the tool will be come to the machine automatically by giving the program. Okay, required several systems to support their operation. So the automatic tool change. The tool required to perform the multiple process of machining centers may be stored in magazine. So the number of tools are stored in the magazine tool turret, that is tool turret at each machining on in central tool shortage. So each tool have its own place, its own position. Next, centralization allows the tool number of the tools to be minimized and support measuring tool for wear, tool prep, tool pressing, tool repairing, and tool maintenance and replacement. All these are done according to the software in an integral part of FMS software. So all these tool turret, tool changes, tool offset, all these are comes under the software of integral part of FMS software. That is the support of system. Next one, material handling system. How the materials are handled here we'll see. Material handling system in FMS consists of several materials. That is, they have to be sustained with the machine operations. Okay, first one, they should sustain with the machine operation. The location and movement of workpieces and trace and tracked automatically by using sensors. So these are moved and tracked by the sensor on material handling system and workstations. Okay, automated material handling system to move work parts into the out of the workpiece. So automatically the work parts and the tools will pick up. Next one, automatic transport system to load and unload the work parts on the work machines. That is also automatic. Automatic transport system to move on the parts between the work machining. Okay. So all are automated. Work loading and unloading is automated. Tool fixing, tool changing is also what is that? Automatic. Next one, computer control system. What is that computer control system? What it's saying? computer control system is FMS uses a computer control system to integrate various functions such as machine tool control, support system control, handling system control. Okay, all these it should be controlled by the machine. Okay, so it is the use of integrated subsystem in an FMS. Other systems like CNC machine monitoring and sensing devices, data communications,